Which one of the following is not an astronomical object? Brittle star. The formation of brilliant colors in soap film is a consequence of the phenomenon of multiple refraction and dispersion. At what temperature are the readings of a centigrade and Fahrenheit thermometer the same? 40. Which of the following is the best conductor? Distilled water. Woolen cloths are warmer than the cotton ones because they are better insulators of heat. The atmospheric layer which reflects radio waves is called ionosphere. In summer, water is stored in unglazed earthen pots because evaporation through pores makes the water cooler. When a body is taken from the earth to the moon, its weight decreases. Radar is based on the principle that radio waves travel by objects. For a given velocity of projection, the maximum range of a projectile can be achieved if the angle of projection is 45 degrees. Detergents dissolved in water help in cleaning clothes by reducing the surface tension of water. An aeroplane rises because the pressure above its wings is less than the pressure below them. An ordinary clock loses time during summer because the length of the pendulum increases and therefore the time period increases. The freezer in a refrigerator is fitted near the top so that it can cool the whole interior by setting up convection currents. A fluorescent tube is preferred to an electric bulb because in a tube electrical energy is almost fully converted into light energy. In a barometer, mercury is preferred over water because mercury has high density and low vapor pressure. One should not connect a number of electric appliances to the same power socket because this can damage the domestic wiring due to overheating. Atom bomb is based on nuclear fission. The sun remains visible for some time after it actually sets below the horizon. This happens due to atmospheric refraction. Match the following. Name of the quantities, instruments they measure. Anemometer, wind speed. Ammeter, electric current. Tachometer, speed rotation. Pyrometer, high temperature. Seen through a mirror, the arms clock show 9:30. What is the actual time? 3:30. Following are the great discoveries in physics. X-rays, superconductivity, theory of relativity, Raman effect. The apparent weight of a man in a lift is less than his real weight when the lift is going up with uniform acceleration. An air bubble in water shines because of the phenomenon of total internal reflection. Rising or setting sun appears to be reddish because scattering due to dust particles and air molecules is responsible for this effect. To keep correct time, modern watches are fitted with a balance wheel made of invar. If the radius of the earth were to shrink by 1%, its mass remaining the same, the acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface would increase. A dental plate clings to the roof of the mouth because force of adhesion increases. At absolute zero of temperature, the molecular energy is minimum but not zero. The half-life of a substance is 10 days. How much of the substance will be left after 40 days if initial mass is 2 gram? 0.125 gram. By opening the door of a refrigerator which is inside a room, you neither cool nor warm the room, which is used in measurement of higher temperature. Thermoelectric pyrometer. The ice ball floats in water tank. When the ice melts, the water level does not change. Which of the following combinations of lenses is used as a compound microscope? Short focus converging and longer focus converging. Which of the following would be most powerful electromagnet? Soft iron. A hot body will radiate most rapidly if its surface is black and rough. The ratio of the velocity of the body to the velocity of the sound is called Mach number. Compared to a burn due to boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, a burn due to steam at 100 degrees Celsius is more dangerous. When a ship enters a sea from a river, its level rises. Angstrom is equal to 0.1 nanometer. A bucket containing water is rotated in a vertical circle at high speed. What will happen to the water when the bucket is upside down at the highest point? No water will spill out. When a stone thrown into a deep lake sinks deeper and deeper into the water, the upthrust acting on it remains constant. The end of a knife is made pointed to have more pressure. Which of the following is most elastic? Glass. A ball bounces higher at high altitudes than on plains because the rarefied air offers less resistance. A cricketer lowers his hand while catching the ball. This saves it from injury because of conservation of momentum. Which law is involved in the act of cleaning a carpet by beating it with a stick? First law of motion. A toy has fallen from your hands. Before touching the ground, it has gained kinetic energy and lost potential energy. While lifting a bucket of water from a well, we feel that the bucket becomes heavier above the surface of water. A skid mark in a hit and run accident primarily helps in determining the speed of the vehicle.